I often think that there are some varieties that we grow here at Urban Herbs that instantly jump into customer shopping baskets on our website. I'm thinking of varieties like blackcurrant sage, lime mint, strawberry mint. The variety that I'm holding here is a beautiful plant called orange mint. Orange mint does what it says on the tin. It has a delicious citrus flavour within these leaves. The flavour is subtle, it's really useful, and I think this plant is really pretty. But this is not one of those varieties that jumps into customer shopping baskets. So in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about why I think you should add orange mint to your herb collection, and then move on to talk about how you can grow orange mint. And I really hope you enjoy this, because this is one of my absolute favourite varieties. How many times have I said that about these videos, right? As I said earlier, orange mint does what it says on the tin. The flavour is a beautiful mix between mint and citrus, but it is distinctively orange. When I rub the leaf, it smells like, you know those chocolates, the Terry's chocolate orange? Other chocolate brands are available, I think. But the orange flavour really does come across strongly. Orange mint is not an overpowering flavour. You're not going to put this into a salad and it's going to blow you away. But I think that's a good thing. So I guess the first selling point of orange mint is that it's a little bit subtle while still being delicious. If you were chopping lime mint into a salad, you would instantly taste lime. Your salad would become a lime mint salad rather than just an ingredient chopped into a mixed salad. Orange mint has a more subtle flavour tone to it. You could chop this into a salad bowl and it would lend a delicious citrusy tone to your salad without overpowering the whole salad. You can make a herbal tea using orange mint that's soothing, it's minty, and there is a really distinctive orange flavour without it becoming slightly odd and niche. What's really interesting about orange mint is that we've been selling it online for maybe 3 years now, and orange mint is reliably every year the variety that customers will message us and say, wow, I didn't expect to love orange mint this much. We will regularly get messages about orange mint saying, wow, I did not plan to grow orange mint this year, but it's really gorgeous. And I think that's cool. That's what the best herbs do. They surprise you. They challenge you to try and make new dishes and put different spins on favourite dishes or drinks. I've already mentioned putting orange mint into a salad. It makes a beautiful herbal tea. Perfect for cocktails or mocktails, rumour has it. For me, the herbal tea option is the best option because it's so subtle and delicious. The orange flavour just works. It's a really beautiful aromatic sensory herb. It's really at home in a sensory herb garden. Just running my fingers through the leaves. We've just watered this variety and the lush, slightly wet foliage. It smells so delicious, and now that I've kind of disturbed the leaves, I'm going to be doing the rest of this video smelling this aroma, and I love that. Orange mint's a good sensory herb. It does what the best sensory herbs do. It takes you away from whatever is going on in your day. It relieves that stress, and I absolutely love orange mint and herbs like it for that. There's one more reason that I really should mention about why I think you should grow orange mint, and that is that it's really pretty. This variety of mint really is a looker. I'm going to hold the plant up to the camera now. Can you see the delicious tones in the new growth? It's got these beautiful colour shades. The veins are really delicate but perfectly formed. And especially when orange mint gets to a really decent size and the evening sunshine of this time of year, of midsummer, hits the foliage, it looks pretty. It looks how you feel like a beautiful, lush herb plant should look. I just love the darker tones within the leaf. When the light hits this foliage in the right way, it does look orangey, and I think that's really cool. I've been growing this variety for years, and it's only this summer that I've actually realised this is a stunner. This is a really beautiful plant. I can't get enough of orange mint this year. So how are you going to grow orange mint? Well, I've got really good news for you. It's easy to grow. And in fact, I'm going to spend most of the next few minutes talking about how you can stop orange mint from growing. Like most varieties of mint, orange mint is not shy in growing. it's going to want to spread. It's going to send out roots under the ground that spread. It's going to send out runners that root, and it's going to grow quickly, especially at this time of year. I'm recording this video in July, and everything's growing so quickly, but lime mint in particular. I would suggest planting lime mint in a container to keep it contained, because if you plant this in a bed with other herb plants, very soon the orange mint is going to try and dominate that space. We're often asked, should you plant different varieties of mint together? And the answer is no. You shouldn't plant different varieties of mint together, because they're both going to spread. They're both going to compete with each other. They're both going to try and take over, and there's going to be a colossal mint fight. And although that sounds quite entertaining, it's not going to do either of the plants or their neighbours any good. One variety of mint will emerge from this tussle victorious, and it's a much better option to keep your different varieties of mint separate. You can plant lime mint in a full sun position or a partially shady position. We've grown ours in quite heavy shade actually, and it's done really well. It's going to want to drink, whereas a lot of herbs like rosemary, thyme, sage, lavender are going to want very free draining conditions. Orange mint, like many other varieties of mint, is going to drink quite a lot. So I would definitely suggest keeping lime mint in a more moisture retentive conditions. There's a bee buzzing just behind the camera, and I think he's trying to find the creeping red thyme that's just behind you there. That's what I love about recording these videos in this growing space. You get moments like that where I look around and I can see 3, 4, 5 different bees. Behind the camera, the bees are enjoying the different varieties of mint that are already in flower. And that feels like the perfect place to end this video. Thank you so much for your time watching this video, guys, and if you've enjoyed it, please leave me a thumbs up. Drop me a comment. It makes a huge difference to a small channel like ours. I'm passionate about promoting these plants, about sharing knowledge, about sharing inspiration about them, and thank you so much for your company for the last few minutes. Until next time, guys, my name's Andy from Urban Herbs. See you later.